Aloha, welcome back to my shop where I introduce you some really fun DIY tool so you can make something really fun and easy from your home during your pastime. So today I'm introducing you this cover button kit that come with the fabric cover buttons and the tool. And the listing is on my shop, so I put it on the description. But when I sell it, I actually sell with the replacement buttons too, so it make you have plenty of buttons to make. What is fabric cover buttons? It's pretty simple. It's a fabric using certain size, which you already have the pattern size come with the kit. And using the tool, you just put the buttons there along with the fibers and you push it and you will make all these really fun buttons, fabric cover buttons, which you can use it for any cloth making or use it as a decoration. And the fabric you need, it doesn't need to be a lot, so sometimes you may want to upcycle some of your old clothes that you're not really can't use it anymore, but certain part of fabric is still good, so it's always good to save up some, use up some old material and create it into something new. So very simple to use. It's quite easy to follow with English and Japanese instruction coming along with the kit. So if you have any questions, if you want to buy more, or if you want to have different signs, please feel free to contact me. So far I have a few signs available in my shop, but actually I will have more if anyone interested. So just please feel free to contact me. So have a wonderful day and thank you for watching. Bye bye.